Hey there everyone, in this video we will show you how to turn on review posts and tags in Facebook. What that does is basically before somebody tags you on a picture or in a post, it will give you a little notification, which means that it will ask you if you want to be actually tagged in that and if you want that to be added to your profile. So open up Facebook and head over to the settings right over here and click on your profile. Once you've done that, click on the three little dots right here, and here click on review posts and tags. So right now I have nothing appearing here because everyone can tag me, everyone can in photos and comments and posts. But if you click on settings right here, and here you can see you can set who to be notified by when you're tagged in, but also review posts you're tagged in. You need to click this to be on. And now every time somebody tags you in a post, it won't be publicly displayed until you approve it. You'll be asked if you want to be tagged in that. The same goes for the follows and other posts here. And click on review tags on your posts. Now people cannot tag random people on your posts. You'll first be notified. You'll be asked if you want that to be allowed, and if you confirm it, then people will be able to do that. And that's pretty much how you do it. Hope this helped. See you next time. If it did, like and subscribe, and have a nice day.